Right, I wasn't going to record this one because it was leaving contrail out back. I can't see the blasted thing. It's Blue Air of Romania, never heard of them, but it's a dirty bastard either way. Going to Bucharest, if I remember right. It started spraying right over the top. And I can't see enough to get a zoom on it anyway, even if I was capable. That's Blue Air of Romania. And there's a snot rocket. Right. Leave it at that. Blue Air Romania, Yankee Romeo, Bravo Mike Juliet, Boeing 737, Glasgow to Bucharest, snot rocket, straight over the top. And here we have a killing machine. It's not realistic zooming in, to be honest, for me. Anyway. Yeah, he's spraying us. My God. I wish people would wake up. All this lot bloody falls on us. That Blue Air thing, poofy trailed. It's still there. It was about 10 minutes ago. But this killing machine's having a go at us now. Full sky. Dirty bastard. It seems to be KLM that are having a hell of a go at us today, aren't they? And I thought we got on with Netherlands. Oh no, I just get on with Jasper. Obviously those that fly these are complete bastards. Anyway, there's a bit of a break in it up here. And then heavy trail back here. Right back here, get it right. Probably out of focus anyway. So, all those chems, there's quite a few there. And the sun. The sun's still red hot though. The sun is still bloody hot. Right, the KLM. Trail spreading, becoming that white shit. Oh my God, what a state. What a freaking state. You know, I thought last night were bloody bad. I don't know. I'm gonna have to get some posted. Still a lovely day, but what the hell is dropping on us? That's the question, isn't it? And what the hell are they up to? They say solar radiation management. Well, I'll tell you something, it's getting bloody hotter. The more they spray, the more hotter it gets. And the blue thingy, like I say, it's still over there. The killing machine that went over, there you are, is overhauled now, it's taken me a while. Los Angeles to Amsterdam, it's a KLM, Royal Dutch Airlines, KLM killing machine. Boeing 787, registration Papa Hotel, Bravo Hotel Echo. And there's flight details, there's a picture of the snot rocket. The squeezy jet doing circles, but it's going round from where are we? Prague to Edinburgh. Registration Golf Echo Zulu Delta Foxtrot. It's only 1,541 foot. According to that, it's going round a few times. It could be trying to land, but saying that we do get squeezy jets here that are doing takeoff and landing exercises from what I can gather. They seem to be landing at Tees Valley and then setting off again and landing again, setting off, you know, that sort of shit. So I'm guessing they're on training duties. Either way,